How to fix Valorant not opening. So if you're having this issue that you just press play in the launcher but nothing just happens and you're waiting there, sitting and nothing happens, let us fix this issue. Guys, just press on Windows plus R combination and in the search type in app data. This is the directory where we will need to go, and let me show you what's next. So press OK, then navigate to local and then find the Valorant folder. It should be down here somewhere. There you go, Valorant. And you should have a folder called local in here. Let me actually see if I can bring it back. There you go, there's the saved folder. So this folder is something that contains some of the config files that sometimes just mess up the game and cause it to not launch. As you can see, we have the config, we have the logs, crashes, telemetry. Just go ahead, right click and then delete it. Now you should be good to go. Now go ahead and open up your launcher of Valorant again. Try launching it and it should be fine now. And enjoy the game, of course. Guys, don't forget to support our channel. We greatly appreciate it and see you soon.